This is showing the order of parts that go onto the axle on the sprocket side, the inside part. You have an outer nut, the chain tensioner, and this area is the axle. Then you have the tab washer and then a regular washer, which are inside. So the space here is where the axle, where the fork will be. So it's nut, chain tensioner, tab washer, and regular washer go on the inside. And always make sure that the tab is in the slot of the fork, so it's facing the way it's shown. On the other side, this would be to the outer part of the cycle where the brake is. The configuration is a little bit different. It's outer nut, washer, chain tensioner. Then this space is the axle right here. The space will be the fork, the fork. And then the very inside is just a tab washer. You don't put the irregular washer on the side because it won't fit into the fork. But always make sure that this tab washer this tab right here goes into the slot. I've shown this on a previous video. Okay, so once again for this side, it's nut, washer, chain tensioner, the fork is here, and on the inside with the tab sticking into the slot is the tab washer.